Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make media queries in CSS. Media queries are a powerful CSS technique that allows you to apply different styles based on the characteristics of the device displaying your content. This means your website can look great on a desktop monitor, a tablet, or a mobile phone, adapting seamlessly to various screen sizes and orientations. We'll cover the fundamental concepts and practical applications to help you master responsive design. Let's dive into the basic syntax. You begin a media query with the @media rule, followed by a media type like screen or print. Then, you can add one or more media features, such as min width or max height, using the and keyword to combine them. All the CSS rules you want to apply under these specific conditions are then placed inside curly braces. For example, you might target screens with a minimum width of 768 pixels. Several common media features are essential for responsive design. Min width and max width are frequently used to apply styles within a specific range of screen dimensions, like for devices between 768 and 1024 pixels wide. The orientation feature lets you differentiate between portrait and landscape modes. Additionally, resolution can target devices with varying pixel densities, ensuring your images look crisp on high DPI displays, providing a tailored experience for every user. When implementing media queries, consider a mobile-first approach. This means designing for the smallest screens first and then progressively enhancing for larger ones. It often leads to better performance and accessibility. Also, group your related media queries together in your CSS for easier organization and maintenance. Always test your responsive layouts across a wide range of devices and browser sizes to ensure a consistent and excellent user experience for everyone accessing your content.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.